everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Genesis from the 12th to the 16th of January 2026 on Monday. A man makes a vow to end toxic entanglement. Family tension flare as pride and compensation are brought to the table. A young artist's big breaks finally arrive as he hits a major career milestone on Tuesday. A bitter young access crosses a dangerous line to get what he wants, but someone's next move blindsides him. A young gospel star bask in the glory of his album launch, but not everyone will make it out unscathed on Wednesday. Gospel music legend prepare to return to the game. Sibling rivalry erupts and a deadly threat are thrown around. From the street to stardom, a rising star enjoy the limelight on Thursday. A storm is unleashed at Genesis. Old truth refaces through new lies for Ishmael. There is a cutthroat sibling rivalry on the verge of boiling over on Friday. Gabriel's celebration is rocked by an uninvited guest. Maruna is torn between loyalty and shame. Wendy goes the extra mile to end the Sedibeng case. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment and share your opinion. Bye.